Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In the series of Python, we will discuss the topic data types. So, what is data type? Data type is the method to define the type of data a variable can hold or handle. Every program is basically a set of instructions that execute a specific task on the data feed into it. So, the program should have methods to hold different types of data like integer, float, character, double, etc. This is the main reason of using data types in any programming language. Now, Python is widely used and very popular programming language for data science and handling large amount of data that gives following data types facilities to the programmer. The first one is integer, then float, then third is Boolean and fourth is string. So let's start with the integer data type. Integer data types are whole numbers like any number 0, 5, -5, 18, etc. And they have no fractional part. It means no decimal point is used in the integer number. And integers can be positive or negative. Let's see the demonstration of integer data type in Python shell. Suppose we type I equal to 5. Then we use type function. Type function is a method which is used to find data type of any variable. So when we write type of I, then it will gives the output as integer class. So this is the integer data type. Now the second is float data type. Float data type is a number which have fractional part or decimal point such as 3.10, -12.27, etc. And the number can be positive or negative. Let's see the example in Python shell. So for example, I equal to 2.0. Here 2.0 is the float data type. So when we write the function type of I, then it will gives the output as float class. So this is the float data type. Then the third one is the Boolean data type. It is a subtype of integer and it represents two values, false and true. Here 0 means false value and 1 means true value. Now let's see the demonstration of bool data type. Suppose z equal to true. T is the capital. Then we use type function with z. Then it will give the output as bool class. So this is the Boolean data type. Now suppose we type bool and in bracket we use 0. Then it will give the output as false value. And suppose we will give input as bool then 1 value. Then it will gives the output as true value. So this is the Boolean data type. Now the next fourth is string data type. We know that string is a group of characters that enclosed in quotation mark. Here we can use single quotation or double quotation. Both will give the same output. Let's see the demonstration. So suppose name equal to hi in double quotation. Then we use type function and in this we pass name. Then it will give the output as string class. Now suppose we use name equal to hi in single quotation mark. Then we use type function and in this we pass name. Then it will again gives the output as class string. So These are the basic data types of Python. Thank you.